Before we win, hello guys, this is James. Under Armour, these are regular bosses. I'd say this Under Armour stuff works. Whether it's the boxers or it's the clothing to keep you warm, I just say it works. God says He giveth His beloved sleep, so we don't have to be afraid for the terror by night, you know, and stuff like that. That's in Psalm Psalm 91. But He also giveth His beloved sleep. But this really works because I had a nightmare. I don't know what it was about. It was horrible. And I woke up and I was like totally sweating, like from the top to the head to the bottom of my feet. But where the boxes were at, this is a guys only video. Sorry ladies, quit watching. But I think it makes undergarments for women as well. But it actually worked, and I was actually dry, and I was like, I went got towels, like, I prayed and, you know, went back to sleep because, you know, God wants us to have great restful sleep. But Under Armour really, really, really does work. I mean, this works, and so, woohoo! I love you, thanks for joining me, blessed and living Lord King Jesus Christ. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't give up.